What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Quant on the daily time frame. Before we get into this video, please like, subscribe and help the channel grow to 2k subscribers by the end of this month. And of course comment down below. Let's get straight into the video. So Quant, what is going on? So we've had this line here as this head and shoulders pattern's neckline, but I'm going to get rid of it. The reason being is I want to draw a parallel channel here instead. Let me just actually go back, see where this line was, drag this line across and then drag it down. We're getting exact touches here. We've got some resistance exactly just there. So I think that this is now accurate. Let's do that again. Was it down there? Yeah, I've forgotten exactly how it was. Okay, perfect. There we go. So got support, lost it, now back testing it as resistance. What is this red candle here? A lot of people are probably thinking this is a bullish hammer, but what I think is that it just means indecision at the moment, because this candle actually has two meanings depending on its location, and the reason why I think at the moment it just means indecision is because of its location, because it's now trapped in between support and resistance. So we got the bottom of this red box acting as support. So I'm going to drag this red box up until this wick over here, looking to the left, structure leaves clues. Now look back, Ryan, you can see we have taps of resistance and support over here. We've got some resistance and support there. So what I do know is we're holding the bottom of this box roughly at 142 at support. So go ahead and draw this box in your chart as well. We can see that we've got our psychological level of $150 here as well, closing below that, closing below the 55-hour double brick wall. We can see every time previously where we've had fake outs, so just holding it, what's happened next is we put in lower lows. We basically lose the 20 again and put in lower lows. I'm not saying we're going to lose the 20, I'm just saying we are now technically respecting this double brick wall. This does not mean Quant can't continue pumping to $170, $175. It just means that at the moment we are respecting resistance, but also trapped in support. Now, people thinking this is a bullish hammer, because it's at resistance, it could also be a hanging man. Okay, and a hanging man looks exactly as a bullish hammer or spinning top, but because it's at resistance, it's basically a selling candlestick pattern. However, because we're trapped at support and resistance, we basically got indecision in the market, and because we've got indecision in the market, we need to see what the market will decide what it wants to do. We're either going to come down basically in and around the 786 where the 20 EMA, the daily 20 EMA lands, and hold that as support for continuation. What we were doing when we were coming up here was we were breaking the 618 and heading to the 1. The 1 is here because it's a previous high point, and when we get above the 1 here, which we obviously close above then close back down below, bearing in mind we hold support, expecting it to hold support, we should then go and break the 1 again and head to the 1618, roughly at 222. And this is what I said in yesterday's thumbnail. So the reason is because we know when we're trending back upwards, going against the downtrend we were in, we're basically retracing to each high point. And that's why I've leveled out this 205 level over here, which will be a key resistance, previous swing high, top of the range, bottom of the range. So if we break above this, our technical target is the 1618 and the 0618, roughly at 222 and 230. So kind of in between, you know what I mean? It's not really a key. Like if we're looking at just forget the Fibonacci's, there's just space there. So the real key resistance is in and around here, around 250 onwards. So yeah, even though this is a technical target and same as the 0618, we're retracing to that, and we could obviously have a dead cat bounce where we continue down into a bear market. But the thing is, this is not real. Obviously the 618 is a key level of support and resistance, but looking at the price action itself, it's not really a key level of support. This was resistance as well over here, because multiple touches on either side, but over here not so much. So yes, it's a target, yes, I'm expecting these to be met eventually, but it's not really a key level of support or resistance. The levels below and above are. So basically if we get above this red line at 205 and we meet these targets, fall back to this 205 support, then technically we should actually continue up to 263, 250 basically. But lose this support again, we'd basically be trapped in inside of this range again. You can see it's some sort of ascending triangle, but we did fall downwards. Unfortunately, it was calling up into a double bottom, but we never got the pump up. The 20 EMA was like, no, we're going to continue down as long as we're below it. So right now we're above it, we should continue up. We are on our way to the 200 EMA, as we said earlier on, but right now we're just running into resistance, and we got very key indecision because we're trapped at support and resistance. And if this candle is at resistance, it's a hanging man. If this candle's at support, it's a bullish hammer. And because we're trapped between both, we just don't know. So this is the new parallel channel. I want you guys to also draw this in, because we know it's not a single line. We need to now get above this massive parallel channel over here to invalidate any further downside to the $70 target. Just before we end this video, I want to bring you guys attention to my Discord group chat. So we had a trade on XRP yesterday. It was a 5x leverage. TP was about 25% gains. And yeah, if you're interested, obviously comment down below on this post or on the pinned post of my Twitter. It's Louis_crypto. So yeah, this was our trade. It was a 2-to-1. Whatever we were risking, we were trying to get 2 times that. I did see a bearish continuation pattern, which is a pennant, basically like a triangle. So we had this ascending support and we had this descending resistance, which we were using as the 20 EMA. You can see we had almost no space left, so a move would have been forced. We could have gone up all the way to this apex here where the 2 lines meet, and a move would have been forced. Because we come down so harshly and we put in lower lows and lower highs, and I've seen this personally before, I would measure the move into this, put down the breakout, and this would be our technical target. When I entered the trade, it was about just a bit over 2-to-1 risk to reward. But as the trade went on, and when we got to this green line here, I closed 50% of my position, and I moved the stop loss to the entry. And basically from there, I moved my TP from here, a bit up, and then obviously down here when we met this green line here, I took some more profits out. And obviously take profit was met. And then Danny over here made some profit on the trade. We also had Roman over here. Thanks for the trade, bro. I used 3x leverage and made 20%. So it's nice to see people in the chat as well also making the same gains as me. So if you're interested in those, I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. But please comment down below on those posts, either the pin post or that post on Twitter, Louis_crypto, and I'll get you guys started either in the chat or learning from the course or the mentorship. I can also do single mentorship lessons. I haven't done it before, but yeah, I can also do that as well if you're interested. I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Please like, subscribe to get the channel to 2K subscribers by the end of this month, and comment. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have 0, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.